Have you ever wondered why some women naturally attract deep love, while others struggle to keep a man emotionally connected? It's not about looks, money, or even perfection. In fact, the truth is much simpler and much more powerful. Men fall in love with women who make them feel something real, not forced, not fake, not overly complicated, just real. One of the biggest things that makes a man fall deeply in love is emotional safety. When a woman creates a space where a man feels accepted for who he is, without constant judgment or pressure, he starts to open up. And when a man opens up emotionally, that's when real attachment begins. It's rare for men to find someone who listens without immediately criticizing or trying to fix them, so when they do, they hold on to it. Another powerful factor is mystery and independence. A woman who has her own life, her own passions, her own goals, she becomes naturally attractive, not because she's trying to impress, but because she's not chasing. Men are drawn to women who don't revolve their entire world around them. When a woman has her own identity, it creates curiosity, and curiosity keeps attraction alive. Men also fall in love with women who appreciate them. Not fake compliments, not over-the-top praise, but genuine appreciation. When a man feels respected and valued, he feels like he matters. And when a man feels like he matters, he invests more emotionally. A simple, "I appreciate what you did," can create a deeper bond than expensive gifts ever could. There's also something incredibly powerful about a woman who is emotionally stable. Someone who doesn't create unnecessary drama, who communicates clearly, and who knows how to handle conflict without turning it into chaos. Men are naturally drawn to peace. If being with someone feels like constant stress, they slowly pull away. But if being with someone feels calm, supportive, and positive, they stay. Confidence plays a huge role too. Not loud confidence, not arrogance, but quiet self-worth. A woman who knows her value doesn't need constant validation. She doesn't beg for attention or chase approval, and that energy is magnetic. Men can feel when a woman respects herself, and it makes them respect her even more. Another thing that men deeply connect with is authenticity. No pretending, no acting like someone else, no trying too hard to impress, just being real. Because in a world where so many people wear masks, authenticity stands out. When a woman is comfortable being herself, it gives a man permission to be himself too. And then there's the way she makes him feel about himself. This is one of the most important things. Men fall in love with women who bring out the best in them, who inspire them, who support them, who believe in them even when they doubt themselves. It's not about changing him, but about encouraging his growth. When a man feels stronger, more confident, and more motivated around a woman, he naturally becomes attached to her. Lastly, men fall in love with how a woman makes ordinary moments feel special. It's not always about big gestures or grand romance. Sometimes it's the small things, the way she laughs, the way she listens, the way she remembers little details. Those small moments create emotional memories, and those memories build love over time. So it's not about doing something magical or complicated. It's about how she makes him feel safe, appreciated, inspired, and genuinely happy. When a woman can do that without losing herself, without pretending, and without chasing, that's when love happens naturally. And that's what truly makes a man fall in love.